Yeah, this is also very nice today on the 30th of March 2025. We have Hallituskatu 28B, but this is actually, but it's weird that the A is so different here.
Yeah.
It's built in 1995. The number is B1 and E1731 by Series 1 fixtures. It's also in Hämeenlinna. Det var Stehurstrand det här med. Egentligen att det strand Finland. It runs here and like those. The best is 4% of 35 grams. Might be from the beginning of 1995.
Yeah.
So at this point of time has just turned 30 maybe.
Yeah. These feedback you asked made it also now describe this.
I think I will check the window here.
No.
For the year 5S weight kept. And it also felt like that.
Yeah.
But it was good that I checked it.
Yeah.
That's it, not so much.
That's